Good luck, everybody.
You have 2 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run. Earl, if you need some help here during the race, I know they're coming at you. It might be difficult for you to see sometimes. Just let me know and I can maybe clear him through here. Rondo. We are going to start on the outside here. The road is closed. You'll be lining up behind the 20. All right, Earl, let's do it. Right on.
I'm gonna go to the rear on the back stretch here, so just be ready. Good luck, everyone.
Green flag. Inside. You're clear. Inside. Clear low.
Margin.
Working the bottom. You're clear him. Inside, inside. You're clear.
Well, that sucks.
1 minute 2.16.
What are you doing? 10, that was no rule.
Oh, if you want by, I'm just riding.
No, likewise, you're good, man. Just riding.
Inside. Still there, door. Clear, clear, clear. Good job. 50.816.
Pretty wide up front.
51.192.
If they can handle 3 wide in here, I'll be really surprised. I did a open race last night and they couldn't handle 3 wide for shit.
Inside. Still there, inside,
I feel like these
clear.
trucks are a lot more stable though.
It took us like an hour and a half to do 70 laps.
Hold your fucking line, you're gonna cause the crash.
I hope you have your brake pedal ready.
Great job. I-4, we got 20 laps to go right now.
Wrecking.
Stay low. Caution.
Nice.
Kind of walk me through a lap here, please.
What the fuck was that?
Closed.
Still
Road
wrecking.
closed.
Still wrecking.
23, did you see that guy?
Thank you.
No, I didn't see what happened, no.
No, right behind you. That was me right behind you. Someone appeared in my car upside down.
No, I did not see that.
Oh man, that was some weird shit, but how many did that take out? It looks like a
Looks like
pretty
you'll be
big wreck.
lining up behind the 4.
I heard wrecking and I started slowing down.
Yeah, same. I jammed on my brakes. Good, keep an eye out there, 22. Thank you for not rear-ending me or the 23.
Yeah, I kind of waited to make sure you were braking before I slammed on my brakes.
Open. Pit road is open.
Yeah, there's one who just went sideways and blocked the track, and there's pretty much nowhere to go.
Alright, looks like you're going to be
Anyone
lining
here
up
do the
behind the 4.
ERA qualifying races last night? Because in my heat for that, there was one caution, but it took out like,
Behind the 4.
I don't know, some 19 cars out of 24.
Pretty big wreck.
Oh yeah, it killed more than half the field. But I'll be in that race tomorrow night actually. It's a big show.
Says 2 car to pass. 2 car pass. Pablo, pass me.
So, how come the truck races last night were 40 laps, now they're 25 today?
You might have been doing an open race.
No, they correct the number of laps to make sure you can
Go,
do
go,
it
go,
on
go, go,
one
go, go,
tank.
go.
Yeah, which that made it more interesting, having to get fuel.
Yeah, they did that with the B
Nemo
class
and
cars
you only have
Indy
one
last
set of
week.
cars remaining. Alright, we need to be behind at 6.
Where's the pace car?
I was just ready to go and get fuel, but I'm looking at 25 laps. Holy.
Pace car turn 3.
I just hit to stay in the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. 23. I in the pit trying to see if I could catch the replay, but I couldn't get a good view of it. Just like someone else had said, someone got turned towards the outside wall and it was just on from there.
Oh, well, it looks like we're going. So you should be on the outside. Alright, we need to be behind at 12. 1 minute 36.098. Line up behind at 12.
I was trying to avoid going a lap down, and that didn't work out.
Yeah, 23. Did you go up down too, or did you just drive through?
No, I just did a drive-through this time.
Gotcha.
I think there's only one or two of us that are a lap down.
Yeah, it looks like it.
But it's still actually in it.
Yeah,
Do
I
not
think
scuff up your tires too much.
15
Easy
year
on
old
your
one
tires.
that's still going. As far as I can see.
Alright then, quick caution.
Alright,
then.
Ralph, man. Pace cars off. Be ready. Green, green, green. Inside. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Keep it up.
I'm a second behind you here, actually.
1 minute
Last one.
45.263. Still inside. Still inside.
In 23, you're going to end up having to get around me anyway, I'm broken.
Still there. Zero low.
I'm just hanging back.
Yeah, it's my game plan too, but the car is going to do that for me. Still got about 2 minutes of optionals left to take.
Hey, y'all back there though, just again be ready to slam on your brakes.
Yeah, I'm not going to hang with you too much. It's no point.
54.43.
Your tailgate's a little damaged there, 15. Not too bad, just got a little bit of a dent.
10-4, I'm at optionals anyway, so it is what it is.
Inside.
Do they save it?
Inside is clear.
Watch one on the apron.
say 23, I'm not even full throttling it, I'm just 3/4 throttle.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, I'm wide open and can't keep up, so if you want to get around me, go ahead.
Nah, I'm chilling out, trusting it, not to mention I need my SR. If I lose any, like, if I get an 8X or a 4X, I think I might be losing my A license. So.
49.471.
I'm trying to get mine back. I lost it at the end of last time, or last season.
Still outside. Clear if you need it.
I got 12X and A open last night.
Alright, we're 4 seconds back, so if anything happens, we should be able to stop. Just watch it, guys.
Yeah, if anything does happen, I'll just start coasting. And then I'll get on my brakes when needed.
.527. We're faster than he is. He knows
What the hell's that left one doing?
Inside, clear inside.
Watch him. Jeez.
51.073. You're right there with him, bud. Doing a great job. 10 to go.
Sorry for it, I should have just backed off for you.
Nah, man, fine. I think the 15, or yeah, you and the 11 are going ahead for free pass, right?
Yeah, 10-4.
49.751. Gotta get through this traffic, girl. 10-4.
I'll try to help you out here. Two Fords on the outside, 2 Chevys on the bottom. Oh, how convenient.
Thank you for watching one here up top.
Is he blocking you?
Yeah.
Jeez.
We're gonna hang him out to dry here.
.525.
Gotta be clear.
This scenario is very similar to my race last night with the ERA.
still green or still below?
I wouldn't count on it, to be honest.
Outside. Let's go outside. Still there. Clear. Clear. 15.2, 5, 3.
Okay, watch the one that we're coming up on here.
Oh, gotcha.
Inside.
One, go high, please.
Still inside. Still
Looks
there.
like he's staying by.
Caution's out. Talk me through your lap one time real quick.
Jeez. Fucking hell, one. You're an idiot, dude.
To be behind in 14.
11, you have a brake pedal for a reason. Use it.
Watch it, watch it.
Thank you for calling that out. Damn. One, you're an idiot, though. I don't know what the hell you were thinking.
What happened? Up front? I don't even know.
He tried to fucking LePage us. We weren't even the leaders. Told you they weren't done wrecking.
Pace car middle backstretch.
I don't know what 11 means by Y.
Yeah, I know. The 11 looks like he came out of nowhere, too. Brian Scott.
The road's open.
I still can't believe that the one did that, though. That baffles me.
So yeah, I braked for that and then got slammed by the 11.
Jack, he slammed on his brakes because the one...
22.
The one with Page, the 15 and I. So he was trying to avoid us. Don't get mad at him.
Alright, we need to be behind the
17, I
5.
guess I'm sorry, because I got a shot from the 16. I wasn't lined up with you. It was like a 40 in effect right there.
Yeah, we were all
Looks like
trying
you'd
to
be
go
lining up
above the
behind
one
the
and then
14.
we came up with us
You're
trying to
behind the
block
5.
and it was way slower.
Good road.
He should get
Close.
protested for that, dude. If he did that like in like top split,
15.
you'd
Come on,
be
you dog.
banned, I'm sure.
Got a lap car coming.
I'm usually in like the
Come line up
2K
behind
split.
the 14.
Alright, coming outside, guys. Outside.
Get behind the 15.
Can't even hang back and get a 0
You got a 4 from it? I barely missed him.
No, the 11 slammed me.
Oh. I think someone in the top 5 here is smoking. His truck is smoking. And he's getting the fluids all over the track.
Yeah,
Come to be behind the 14.
I'm just making laps too.
Your car has too much damage. You gotta fix it.
Alright, buddy. Line up behind the 14.
I know that. That's what I'm going.
I think it's funny when the spotter says that. I can clearly see smoke. He just blew up.
One
Nope.
to go. So you should be on the inside here. Which is good.
No, if he's sitting, you don't gotta worry about
Go line up
passing.
behind the 19.
Y'all can just go right by him. No problem.
1 minute 50.21.
Yeah, we got you. Alright, 23, what's the strategy here?
Going all out to the checkered.
I might, depending on the surroundings.
Go high, 11.
Your right side is a little scraped up pretty good. It's not too bad, but it's there.
Yeah, when the 11 hit me, I hit the wall too.
And then I'm out.
Gotcha.
Oh, both pace cars off. Be ready. 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 Green flag. Green flag. I see you working that track. Looking good. Outside. 2 more. Let's go. 1 minute 40.15. Still out there.
Wow.
Nice work, my man. Keep running your line.
I don't know how he made it stick.
Outside. Quarter outside. 2 wide outside. 1 outside. Still there. Still there.
He's still going up there.
Still outside. Still out there.
Yeah, he is. Holy shit.
Still outside. Still outside.
Easy.
Still there. Keep it up, baby. I got white flag. 54.028. Still outside. Door outside. Clear high. Outside. Still outside. Still there. Still out there. Clear high. Outside, outside, 2 outside, 1 inside, still inside. Stay low.
Fucking hell.
Checking flag, my man.
Holy crap, I got third out of that. Came
Keep on
across
going,
the
man.
line sideways.
Keep your revs down.
I got 8th. They came back down. Fucking hell.
Good job. Very good
Fantastic,
job.
6. Fan-fucking-tastic.
Yeah. I mean, he had you there, though. He had his nose on you, and then you kind of squeezed him in the wall.
I jumped full out in front of him, and he hit me like a fucking freight train.
Looking at the replay, he was barely there when you came up the block and hooked you.